Good morning, it's Saturday and it's not 4 a.m. Yay! It's 8:30, getting ready to leave the house, heading off to Scottsdale with a couple buddies of mine for this cool BMW drive experience. I've done a couple things like this in the past, but this is the first time with BMW, so I'm very excited. And I got some buddies going with me that are car enthusiasts. If you guys remember the previous videos with Chuck and Scott, Scott's got that all-electric i4 M50, sick-ass car. So he's the one who prompted us for this BMW experience, so we're going to do that today. So let's go drive some cars, fast! Bronco Man!
What's up? Vlog.
I don't think you guys ever seen the inside of this thing. It's so gnarly. He's got it all. He's been doing all kinds of custom stuff. It's good stuff, man. It's good stuff.
This we go parking here. Let's not go right next to the track.
Here, just take a sharp left, so you can take this Westworld way all the way out. Once you're out
Yeah, we found a screen in the M50 that when you like read the screen at all, like you don't laugh
M3. Guys, cars look so cool. I've always loved BMWs. I've always loved the way they looked.
It's not much more than the 300.
Clear, you're good to go. Go for it. Alright, so you got a right-hander up here. Everywhere you see these orange cones, just look for those. Try to get the car right next to those.
Object is a hug?
Depends on the corner. So like this one, you want to stay out wide, and then slow hands, bring it in tight to the orange cone. There you go. Back to the right. Look for that next orange cone. Just keep getting your eyes up to the next one. You're going left here again, so back left. There you go. Squeeze on the throttle smooth. Left here again, look for that orange cone. There you go. And then back to the right. Drag a little brake into this left-hander. Patient on the throttle. Okay, start squeezing throttle as the wheel unwinds. Back left. There you go. Keep it tight to the orange cone. Then back to the right. Squeeze throttle smooth. Just kind of gradually build some throttle through here and then into the pit. So straight through those green cones. Cool.
All right, quick disclaimer here. That footage was my first time around the track, first time in the car. So I didn't really know what I could do, what the car was capable of, and to be honest, the instructor didn't really kind of push me. My second time around on the course, the second instructor, he wouldn't record, he wouldn't use the camera to record, so no worries there, but there's no footage of my second time around the course. He actually had me go a third time around, so a third lap, and he pushed me and he said, do exactly what I tell you to do, trust me, and I did, and whoa, like that third lap that he had pushed me, I actually felt the capabilities of the car, like to the point where I thought, no way, I'm gonna slide out, I'm gonna skid out, or I'm like not gonna be able to make this turn or whatever, and I did, and it was just mind-blowing what I was able to do in that car. And then of course the third time was with the instructor, and you saw/felt what he was able to do, right? So there's like there was this gradual progression, but unfortunately there was no footage of this my second time. So this first time looks pretty timid. I mean, I don't even know, I don't think I went faster than maybe 30-35 miles an hour, if that. But my second time around, I definitely went faster and pushed. I just saw any footage. I thought I'd point that out because it looks bad. But oh my God, BMW is so sick.
Things to do today while you're here. If you are 25 years or older. All right, All right, Paige to red one.
I love that display.
Yeah. Cool. Good. So you're almost over slowed a little bit to really ensure that you point the car. Late turn in here. Hug it to the left after the orange, and it lines you up for that good exit. Alright, and then here, just want to keep it tidy on this left-hander. You know, really don't want to let it wash out wide there. Again, kind of over slow that one just to let it actually grip up on the exit. Tight to the left, back to the right. Alright, and then it pits.
Night and day difference for me. Oh, it's gnarly.
Fun, yep. Yeah, these things are animals too. When you turn everything off, all this.
They need to put that on Disneyland. That needs to be a Disneyland ride.
Yeah.
Woo! That was a ride.
Yeah, buddy.
3 times, right? First time with that, what's that called? Brake mode? Like B mode?
Regenerative.
Regenerative mode, yep. And then the second time was regular drive, like a regular car. And then the third time we had the instructor drive us, and that, I told the guy, that should be a ride, and that's an amusement park right there. BMW should just make an amusement park of that.
But
you sell tickets like crazy.
that's how to drive a car. That was fun.
Crazy, crazy good.
Did you guys do autocross?
Yeah, we were just
Very
over here on
cool.
2.
Very cool. I put that in this little compartment right here.
That'll work.
All right, let's pull over that X on the ground. And pull up a little bit more. Hang tight and ready, set, go.
Oh, I stopped way early.
Yeah, everybody does in their first one. It's cool. I'm glad they do.
Yeah.
So let's make it all the way over to where that red car is. X-Drive 50 specifically. They got a 40, a 50, and a 60, and the power ranges go up different, you know,
Got it.
per number. All right, let's stop at that green comes out. Did you see that?
Oh yeah.
Right, right. Yeah, you see that in
awesome.
buildings, not cars usually, so pretty cool stuff. And 787s, I think. Pretty cool. All right, put your foot back on the brake. Okay, hang tight.
So now we're gonna drive.
Yeah, now we're gonna drive. Okay, get ready, set, go. Stay in that power a little longer. Stay in it, stay in it. Hard brake. Oh, you know what?
Woo!
If you gave it like 20 more %, we would have been inside that box. Let's see where we are. Barely outside. But good job either way,
Good
man.
stuff, man.
Better than going through that 10 is all I'm saying.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, it's very subtle.
Yeah.
But it's just like enough help to where it doesn't like feel weird, but it totally helps you out.
Right. You are in there.
Look at this fossil. Woo! Lunchtime, kids. Burger time and tots. Don't forget the tots. Man, what an awesome day. BMW experience was awesome. Loved doing those driving courses, and wicked car. It's the same car that Scott has, which we drove in. We went and got the tequila. It was awesome. And then yeah, I went to lunch with Chuck and just got to catch up with him, and always just a good time hanging out with him, man. You just so smart, so insightful. He's into all kinds of stuff. He's a news junkie, so he reads and hears about stuff that just I never do. I'm the exact opposite. Like 99% of the news I don't care about or take the time to watch or listen to. So I learn all kinds of new stuff from him. Good stuff. Talk a little bit about business, talk a little about family and life, and what I've got going on with my dad, my brothers, and what he's got going on with his work, and Mara, and it's good stuff. But it's 3 o'clock. I pretty much spent all day with him, and so when I head home, I think Tiffany's going to her sister's house for a little bit. Sierra's off to work, and Bryce is just hanging out at home. So I'm gonna get home, kind of catch up on what's going on, edit a vlog, and then I probably will do a short little stream. Overdue for a haircut, so let's go get that done while nothing else is going on today. I forgot to vlog. It's late. Everyone's asleep. So I got my hair cut, and I came back home, and I made a ranch water because Tiffany found Topo Chico finally. It's taken like, I don't know, months. Nobody sells this around near us. But anyway, she found some Topo Chico, and I made the most amazing ranch water with Fortaleza tequila, one of my favorite tequilas now, and it was fantastic. And then I streamed, and I played Overwatch 2, had a blast, so much fun. Bryce joined me, we played some Overwatch together, it was awesome. I totally miss Overwatch. I think I want to play some more of that. And then anyway, Tiffany came home, and we chatted and caught up and hung out on the couch and talked about our days because we didn't see each other all day. We heated up some rice and some soup, and we talked some more in the kitchen. And then Sierra came home from work, we talked to her a little bit, and then she left to go to a party. Tiffany went to bed, and I've been on the couch scrolling through YouTube shorts and Instagram reels, and I realized that it's almost midnight and I'm tired. I need to go to bed. So I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.